Right, the video that we circulated yesterday of police fighting for a bribe, it has been confirmed by the Zimbabwe Republic Police in this statement, and I want to read you the statement and what it says in its entirety, and then I'll give my own opinion at the end. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is concerned by the abuse and misuse of social media platforms by both police officers and the public to portray a negative narrative of the actual situations. This is mostly to drive a certain agenda which is beneficial to parties concerned and mislead the public with false information. The Republic Police thus ensure that comprehensive investigations are conducted and the truth revealed to the public. In the process, the law will be applied to the offending parties without fear or favor. In this regard, reference is made to the viral circulating video on social media platforms in which two police officers are allegedly fighting over bribe money in Mutare. The Zimbabwe Republic Police puts on record that Constable Foreman Matayaya, 38, was involved in a road traffic accident area 12 Depression Dangamvura Mutare, which involved 3 vehicles. Constable Andrew Majintu attended the scene and instructed the 3 parties to drive their vehicles to the police station after he had refused to comply with instructions. On reaching the police, foreman Matayaya became confrontational and violent. He did not want his vehicle to be impounded or the road traffic accident to be recorded in the police records. Above all, he claimed that Constable Majintu was siding with the other 2 drivers instead of him. He assaulted Constable Majintu, who attended at the scene, and damaged state property while raising false allegations. Sergeant Musonza and Constable Mataringe had to intervene and stopped Foreman Matayaya from destroying police records and assaulting Constable Majintu. The suspect was subsequently arrested for the due process of the law to take its course. So, anzi officer vakasungwa vanga vapinda mu accident. Ndo zviri kutaura police report. Right, as you can see from what you saw on the video, there are issues that are there. The explanation that has been given, kuti panga paita accident and everything. You know what happens from an accident. A lot of you are very much aware of what happens from accidents. Munhu okarovera munhu, there are 2 options. It's either unodedza mapurisa kana kuti munotaurirana mopanana manamba kana kuti motochinjana mari. Ashamari pandakurovera apa panota kana kuti $40 o $40 yako kana o 20 kana imwe yacho yazosara ndozodi motorwa pasi. Kana kuti you wait for the police, vosvika motaurirana, mapurisa onyora report, then it's either kana mota isingachafambi yakutowa yako endwa kwainoendwa nayo and everything. So zvinowanzoitika, zvandinoziva inini zvinowanzoitika ndezvekuti kana padai so chinowanzoitika ndechekuti kune umwe anenge asingazivi, anenge achiti pomirira mapurisa, kozoita umwe anenge achiziva skillful remstreet, anobva ati shamari anobva akata mapurisa izvi, this is a known thing, pakata chi purisa oi yako nditi right, ubva wati kumunhu no iwe chitevera uku and all of that. Anokata mapurisa right, anobva wanza munozonosangana kupolisi uyu obva saka the effect yekuti panenge pasvika mapurisa, maybe aroverwa wachona anogona kunge ari kupopota, arovera wachona ndiye anogona kukata mapurisa kuti oi mapurisa kana kuti 20 kana ka 40 kana ka 50 whatever amount depending on this situation. Saka paanopava anditika apa uyu nyakuroverwa uyu anochizogona kuzonzi right, chiande kumapurisa, nyaya yako yakuchinorepotwa, mozoita third party insurance, mozodi. Ndo masituations akadai so at the end of the day kazhinji kachona vakuru unopa 1 wapa 1 uye ndiye anozonopa vamwe. Saka that could be the scenario that happened, but anyway mapurisa have explained their side of the story, but this is how things play out, and in the end those not so boda. But tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about the statement. Does it satisfy you as a citizen? How long shall we continue in this, choko mamwe thing? When are we going to have proper structures that are going to address issues that are to do with reporting my crime scenes, my accidents, and everything? Kuti zvingoitwawo proper so. When? Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. But you tell me what you think about this statement by the police.